It's intensifying as we speak.
In one of the fastest rapid intensification bursts on record in the Atlantic, Hurricane Erin exploded in strength to a Category 5 over the weekend. While its category has changed since then, its threat has not.
We're going to see that very destructive wave action start to begin as we move into late Tuesday, really peaking overnight Wednesday into Thursday. This is going to be a very significant event.
A satellite captured lightning flashes around Hurricane Erin's eye as it passed near the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos on Monday. Erin's outer bands lashed those islands and Puerto Rico, causing flooding, power outages, and airport closures. Now, the storm brings serious coastal flooding concerns along parts of the U.S. East Coast.
The ocean is quite angry, and those wave heights are now sort of in the 5, 6, 7 foot range. That will get into a low double-digit feet.
Fluctuating between a Category 2 and Category 3 hurricane through at least midweek, National Weather Service forecasters warn of waves of up to 20 feet or more for North Carolina's Outer Banks. Already, officials in New Hanover County say at least 75 rip current rescues took place on Monday.
We're from New Jersey. We experienced Sandy, so we know the drill.
More tropical trouble could follow Hurricane Erin. The National Hurricane Center is monitoring 2 areas in the Atlantic for possible development. I'm Maribel Gonzalez reporting.